So here I have a stuck slide pin. Now this one's coming out really nice. It's nice and lubed up. It's great. Save that one. So I got this one. I've been beating it, and I figured, you know what? Might as well bring you on and let's make a video out of it. Goal is to get this out in one piece like the first one. We do not want to break it off inside here. That would just be awful. Then we'd have to either drill it out or just order them a used one. But let's go ahead and focus on getting this out of here. So first off, we're gonna get rid of this. Sometimes you can get them up and over. Yeah, this one's not gonna be savable. Oh, maybe it is. If not, I got extras. No, it's not. It's tearing, so that's okay. Let's just get it off here. There we go. Let's get that out of here. Like I said, I have more, so we'll get them a brand new one. All right, see how rusted and corroded that is. It's awful. So, first things first, WD-40 or PB Blaster, whatever you want. Just in hopes some trickles down inside here. You know, it's pretty stuck. So I have the added benefits of a vise. Which helps. Now we don't want to torque this too much. Just want to try to get it to move, which it's not going to. So. Now it's very hot. So let's see if that's helped at all. Oh, nothing. So down here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to just break it loose any way I can. So I'm going to start off with nothing yet. Nice, now we got some movement, which is great. Some movement is good. Ooh, pulling up on it. Now, let's see if I can go all the way around. All right, so now we're moving. There we go. See that there? It's nice. Went down a little bit, which is good. That means it's moving, and we're hopefully forcing some WD-40 down there. Now, before I get yelled at in the comments, this is for entertainment purposes only. This is what I'm choosing to use. I don't care if you're not supposed to use WD-40 for this. This is what I'm using, and it usually works for me. So yeah, see, it's coming up. Okay. There we go. Now it's getting a lot easier to move. Okay. Whew. Oh, got it. Awesome. So that's how we get it. Now, if you get it to the point where you can spin it and nothing's really working, what I like to do is, again, this is because I have a vise. I'll lock some of this behind it. Take the caliper bracket and put it in the vise down, and just beat it with the hammer, and it'll eventually come out. So yeah, that's how I do all of my stuck caliper pins. Again, that's not how you do it. It is what it is. That's how I do it. I always have good luck. Now we'll get this cleaned up and rebuild it again. Hope that helped you guys out any. Lots of fire, lots of fluid. And like I said, it doesn't hurt to beat that down back in there. And then just remember, whenever you're done, you're gonna have to, I like to take a drill bit the size of this hole, run it in and out until you get all the stuff that's in there, that's all the dirt and rust and everything that's making it get seized in there. Like I said, hope that helped. Thanks for watching. If you have the extra time, go ahead and check out my other two channels, my Anything Auto Travels and Anything Auto Reviews.